and ask for review. So that's the important thing, ask for review. So if you don't know about asking for the review, let me give you one more tip. See, here it is, have a ask for review page, and if I just copy that and click that here, you will see it will open and pop up which asks for the review. Obviously, if you give this particular URL as a review to your client, it will open like this and you will be able to get 5-star reviews. So this section will emphasize how you can actually do that. First thing, you don't need to remember this particular URL, and you have to copy this and generate a QR code. So this is the one tip which I have tell you to follow that and give that QR code to each and every successful client. So how? Just copy this review link, search for this particular keyword, link to QR code converter, and you can click any services that are available for free. So here it is. So now you can, okay, to use logo you need to sign in. So I don't mind to sign in. If you can add more time to this, you can easily add that. So I will get this particular QR code and click on download. And here you have an option of size. So PNG is something which I want. So QR, now download. Okay, so this is the particular image you need, and now you need to create a graphic for this particular keyword. So now here, search for the review option, or search something review us, and here it is. So now you can customize this particular graphic to your own need, like here, just delete these out and upload your QR code, just paste that here. Obviously it should look bigger. So search for graphic elements or something like that, scan me, something like this. You are getting my part, right? So you have to get this and download it to your phone, and whenever you get a successful client, you don't need to remember these QR, right? You don't need to remember the QR which is already, or you don't need to remember the whole URL. You just need to remember this QR code, and you can download to your phone and send to every successful client to please review that without even going to this particular your business URL. So if you just land there, you will collect more and more reviews like this. You just need to scan that QR code, or your client maybe need to scan that QR. It will be easier for them, and review will be there in a second. Obviously you know what you need to do after that.